we recommend doing to get your environment set up. And these are pretty straightforward. So run terminal setup. This will give you Shift-Enter for new lines, so you don't have to do like backslashes to enter new lines. This is, it makes it a little bit nicer to use. Do /theme to set light mode or dark mode or Daltonize themes. You can do /install GitHub app. So today we announced a GitHub app where you can mention Claude on any GitHub issue or pull request. So to install it, just run this command in your terminal. You can customize the set of allowed tools that you can use so you're not prompted for it every time. This is pretty convenient. For stuff that I'm prompted about a bunch, I'll definitely customize it in this way so I don't have to accept it every time. And something that I actually do is for a lot of my prompts, I won't hand type them into Claude Code. If you're on macOS, you can go into your system settings under accessibility is dictation, and you can enable it. And so something I do is you just hit like the dictation key twice, and you can just speak your prompt. And it helps a lot to have specific prompts. So this is actually pretty awesome. You can just talk to Claude Code and like you would another engineer, and you don't have to type a lot of code. So when you're starting out with Claude Code, it's so freeform and it can do everything. What do you start with? The thing I recommend above everything else is starting with code-based Q&A. So just asking questions to your code base. This is something that we teach new hires at Anthropic. So on the first day in technical onboarding, you learn about Claude Code, you download it, you get it set up, and then you immediately start asking questions about the code base. And in the past, when you were doing technical onboarding, it's something that taxes the team a lot, right? You have to ask other engineers on the team questions. You have to look around the code, and this takes a while. You have to figure out how to use the tools. This takes a long time. With Claude Code, you can just ask Claude Code, and it'll explore the code base. It'll answer these kind of questions. And so at Anthropic, onboarding used to take about 2 or 3 weeks for technical hires. It's now about 2 or 3 days. What's also kind of cool about Q&A is we don't do any sort of indexing. So there's no remote database with your code. We don't upload it anywhere. Your code stays local. We do not train generative models on the code. So it's there. You control it. There's no indices or anything like this. And what that means is also there's no setup. So you start Claude, you download it, you start it. There's no indexing. You don't have to wait. You can just use